Welcome to Goa 365 English News Bulletin. I'm Anjali and these are the headlines. Goa marks its 60th Liberation Day on Sunday. Prime Minister Narendra Modi joins Goans on this day. Prime Minister inaugurates slew of projects, takes part in Liberation Day celebrations. Goa to have another 5 days of dry weather starting from December 19, maximum and minimum temperatures to be around 31 degrees Celsius and 18 degrees Celsius respectively. And now for the news in detail. Goa marked its 60th Liberation Day on Sunday. Prime Minister Narendra Modi was in Goa for the celebrations and took part in many programs, which mark 60 years of liberation. Both Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant extended greetings to Goans on this occasion.
The Chief Minister hoisted the national flag at Kampal Parade Ground in Panji to start off the day. Later, Sawant received a guard of honor from the police, fire services, Home Guard and NCC. Chief Minister service medals and awards were given by the Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant.
आम्ही याद करता अगणित महान व्यक्ती ज्याने आमकां गोंय स्वतंत्र सूर्याचे दर्शन दाखयलें. स्वराज संस्थापक छत्रपती शिवाजी महाराज, महापराक्रमी संभाजी महाराज हांच्या पदस्पर्शात पावन जाल्ल्या ह्या गोंयच्या भूमीत असंख्य सेनानी जसे सर्गीस राम मनोहर लोहिया, जगन्नाथराव जोशी, डॉक्टर टी.व्ही. कुन्ना, मोहन रानडे, बाळाराय मापारी, हिरवे गुरुजी, फ्रांसिस्को लुईस गोमेज आणि जुलमी पोर्तुगीज राजवटींतल्यान ह्या राजसत्तेक आव्हान दिवंक वा एक मुक्ती दिवपी समेस्त कितलेशे स्वतंत्र सेनानी आणि त्याच बरोबर विजय ऑपरेशनात वांटो घेवपी तेन्नाचे कितलेशेच त्या सेनानी आसतले जांकां हांव परत एकदां नमन करता. आझादी का अमृत महोत्सव इंडिया एट 75, गोंय मुक्तीची 60 वर्सां गोवा एट 60 असो अभूतपूर्व योगायोग आज आमकां अनुभवपाक मेळटा. हो योगायोग एका कारणान महत्वाचो ठरता. ह्या वर्सा वैश्विक महामारी कोविड-19च्या ह्या पुराय जगाक विशेष करून भारतात संघटीत करपाचो शक्तीचो दिश्टावो आमकां पळोवपाक मेळ्ळो. ह्या वैश्विक महामारीच्या काळात आमच्या देशाचे पंतप्रधान माननीय नरेंद्र मोदीजी हाणें आपल्या नेतृत्व गुणाचो पुराय जगाक परिचय करून दिलो. या महाकाय भौगोलिक सामाजिक विविधता आशिल्ल्या देशात विक्रमी वेळात वैद्यकीय साधन सुविधा तयार करप, थळाव्या उद्योजकांक पाठबळ दिवन देशी लस तयार करप आनी उपेशिल्ल्या आर्थीक परिस्थितीक धैर्यान तोंड दिता आसतना देशभरात खंयसरूच अन्न तुटवडो जावचो न्ही म्हणून प्रधानमंत्री गरीब कल्याण योजना ही चालीक लावप अशा अभिनव कृतींतल्यान ताणें देशाचो गौरव जगभरात वाडयलो. गोंय सरकारच्या कोविड महामारीक झुंज दिता आसतना केंद्र सरकारचे भक्कम बळगे आमकां लागले आणि म्हणूनच तर माननीय पंतप्रधान नरेंद्र मोदीजी, माननीय अमित शाह, निर्मला सीतारामन, नितीनजी गडकरी हांच्या सतत मार्गदर्शन आणि पाठिंब्याचेर गोंय महामारीच्या काटाकाटल्यान सुद्दां भायर सरपाक आनी फुडें वचपाच्या दिशेन वाटचाल करीत आसा.
Deputy Chief Minister Chandrakant Babu Kavlekar hoisted the national flag during the Liberation Day program at Margaon. Babu spoke on the schemes which would give relief to farmers. Watch.
कोरोनाच्या महामारी भितर सुद्धा शेतकऱ्यांक कसलो त्रास जावपाक जायना हो आमी प्रयत्न केल्लो आसा. भावने स्कीमी हाडटा आसतना जावं तो सेंट्रल गव्हर्मेंटाची स्कीमी लोकांनी पावप, जावं तो स्टेट गव्हर्मेंटाची स्कीमी सगळ्या लोकांक दिवप, ताच्या पलीकडेन जे लोकांक जाय आशिल्लें, जे शेतकऱ्यांक जाय आशिल्लें असले आमी ठोस पावलां उबारले आसात. ताका काही उल्लेख करून दिसता जे आयज काही आमकां कृषी आमी क्षेत्रा भितर जे बरी कामगिरी करपी आसात तांकां आमी ताचो भोवमान करतात. आज सुद्दां काही भावांक आमकां एवॉर्ड आमी जाहीर केल्ले आसात, ते सुद्दां आज दिवपाचे आसात.
Transport Minister Morvin Godino hoisted the national flag during the Liberation Day program at Vasco. Liberation Day was celebrated with a fervor at Ponda. Art and Culture Minister Govind Gowde and former MLA Ravi Naik were present. They presented tribute to the martyrs. Watch.
आपली जी नोकरी त्या समस्त स्वातंत्र्य सैनिकां नागरिकां
Shyam Chari, Sandeep Tuekar, Hiru Mahale and Krishna Naik for Goa 365.
We will take a short break. Stay with us. Welcome back. Prime Minister Narendra Modi visited Goa on its Liberation Day, even as the state gears up for assembly polls that will take place in a couple of months. The Prime Minister inaugurated a lot of projects, including the super specialty hospital, and complimented Goa for attaining food security, highest per capita income, in his speech at the celebrations held at Shama Prasad Stadium.
Prime Minister Narendra Modi greeted Goans on the occasion of 60th Liberation Day celebration. Prime Minister feted freedom fighters and veteran soldiers who were part of Operation Vijay, which led to Goa's liberation. Swaympurna Mitras and NGOs were felicitated by the Prime Minister. Later, Prime Minister launched some key development projects and also virtually inaugurated GMC Super Speciality Block, South Goa District Hospital, gas insulated substation at Dawalim, renovated Agwada Jail and aviation skill development at Mopa.
माझ्या मोगाळ गोंयकारांना गोंय मुक्तीच्या हिरक महोत्सवी वर्षा निमतान मना काळजा सावन परबी सेमान नटलेल्या मोगाळ मनशाच्या ह्या भांगराळ्या गोयांत इवन म्हाका खूब खोश भोगत कि अगर सरदार वल्लभ भाई पटेल कुछ वर्ष और जीवित रहते तो गोवा को अपनी मुक्ति के लिए इतना इंतजार नहीं करना पड़ता। साथियों, गोवा का इतिहास स्वराज के लिए भारत के संकल्प का ही प्रतीक नहीं है, ये भारत की एकता और एकजुटता का भी जीता जागता दस्तावेज है। गोवा ने शांति के साथ हर विचार को फलने फूलने की जगह दी। कैसे एक साथ हर मत, मजहब, संप्रदाय गोवा ने ये करके दिखाया है। लुइस दी मिनेजिस ब्रांगाजा, स्त्रिस्त्राव ब्रांगाजा द कुना, जूलियो मिनेजिस जैसे नाम हो, लक्ष्मीकांत भैंबरे जैसे सेनानी हो, या फिर बाला राया मापारी जैसे युवाओं के बलिदान, हमारे कितने ही सेनानियों ने आजादी के बाद भी आंदोलन किए, पीड़ाएं झेली, बलिदान दिया, लेकिन इस मूवमेंट को रुकने नहीं दिया। टूरिस्ट डेस्टिनेशन के तौर पर लोगों की पसंद तो गोवा रहा ही है, लेकिन अब गुड गवर्नेंस का सवाल हो तो गोवा टॉप पर है। पर कैपिटा इनकम हो तो भी गोवा टॉप पर। ओपन डेफिकेशन फ्री स्टेट के तौर पर गोवा का काम 100%। लड़कियों के लिए स्कूलों में अलग टॉयलेट की सुविधा हो, गोवा 100% फुल मार्क्स। डोर टू डोर कचरे का कलेक्शन हो, यहां भी गोवा 100%। हर घर जल के लिए नल कनेक्शन हो, इसमें भी गोवा 100%। आधार एनरोलमेंट में भी गोवा का काम 100% पूरा। फूड सिक्योरिटी के मामले में भी गोवा अव्वल। प्रधानमंत्री ग्राम सड़क योजना के तहत ऑल वेदर रोड कनेक्टिविटी हो, गोवा का काम 100%।
Prime Minister Narendra Modi landed at Dabolim Airport on Sunday afternoon, where he was welcomed by Governor P.S. Sridharan Pillai, Chief Minister Pramod Sawant and Protocol Minister Marvin Godino. After leaving from the airport, Prime Minister Narendra Modi visited Azad Maidan and paid floral tributes to martyrs of Goa's liberation. The Prime Minister visited the newly constructed promenade at Miramar. He was given a grand welcome by the sail parade. Naval air show and sea shows were held. Lifeguards too gave demonstrations on the occasion. Watch.
Mukharojpi Ampihi Pravasaki boat.
Right in front of us we have the Humdinger Electra. It's Goa's first electric boat of 6 passenger capacity. Electra is fitted with a 6 kV outboard motor, lithium-ion battery bank and a battery management system to give a top speed of 6 knots and operating range of 16 nm at a speed of 4 knots. The design is developed by Konkan Maritime Cluster and is a highly stable hull form and shows how Goa is contributing to sustainable energy development in marine boats. The boat will provide a unique silent experience in hinterland tourism and enable close viewing of migratory birds, crocodiles in their natural habitat in close vicinity.
देवियों और सज्जनों, अब आ रहा है इल्यूजन IL-38 सी ड्रैगन आपकी बाईं ओर से। आज इस विमान का संचालन कर रहे हैं कमांडर CM फुलसे और लेफ्टिनेंट कमांडर M बालासुब्रमण्यम। भारतीय नौसेना को लंबी समुद्री टोई की क्षमता प्रदान करने वाला यह विमान 1977 से नौसेना में उत्कृष्ट सेवा प्रदान कर रहा है। IL-38 सी ड्रैगन एक टर्बोप्रॉप समुद्री गश्ती विमान और पनडुब्बी रोधी युद्धक विमान है, जिसमें 13 घंटे तक लगातार उड़ने की काबिलियत है।
Just behind Electra, you can see the scuba diving. The state of Goa, with its beautiful coastline, also provides a great opportunity for the development of this adventure sport. We already have internationally certified scuba diving happening in Goa. Here we have Commander Skandan Warrior, a Navy veteran and a director of Scuba Evolution India, an internationally certified scuba diving school based in Goa. Along with his team of dive professionals representing this adventure sport, they are demonstrating a back roll water entry, after which they will descend about 2 meters.
Shamchari for Goa 365 from Panaji.
We will take a short break. Stay with us. Welcome back. Villages getting cut off due to floods during rains is a common scenario. But there is a small area in Shorao which gets cut off in all seasons due to non-maintenance of the bund. The locals have now lost their cool, and one man is raising his voice against the lethargy of government through a unique protest.
Shorao is one of the biggest islands of Goa, which is mostly connected through ferries. However, there is a small motorable road connecting a small area in Shorao. However, during high tide the road gets submerged and pedestrians and also the vehicles are in danger of falling in the river due to tidal forces. This has been happening for the last 3 years now, and the reason is non-maintenance of the band. Our viewer from Shorao, Prajay Navilkar, has sent us a video showing the plight of Shorao residents and the person protesting against the government lethargy.
नमस्कार म्हणटा माझ्या हाती वयर येयना हांगा आयज हांव अक्षरशः उदकान बसलेलो पाळी येवंक जायनासली हांव दिप्तमान मापारी फोंडेचो ह्या गांवचो नागरीक म्हणून ह्या नात्यान आयज हांगा उदकान बसलेलो आसा कित्याक सरकाराच्या खंय तरी दोळे उगडपाक अक्षरशः 2-2.5 वर्सां तरी आमी त्रास काडटा फाटल्या दिसांनी हांवें सांगलेलें फाटल्या दिसांनी 6-7 तारखेक हांवें व्हिडिओ काडलेलो हांगा आनी सरकाराक दाखोवन दिल्लें की सरकार जागो जा हे त्रास आमकां जाता पळय न्ही ते मातशें कमी कर म्हणून पूण त्या कारणान तेणी थोडे कितें हांगा सिमेंट घातलें आनी हे बांदून काडलें पूण हो आमचो एक्चुअल त्रास न्हू आमचो त्रास एक्चुअल आसा आमचो बांद व्हडलो आसा खावटी पडलेले आसा त्या कारणान तुमकां घोडो येता पूण तो सर खावटी बांदता म्हणसर तो टायम जातलो तो सर हे जो हांगा उदकाचो फ्लो आहा थंय सरकारान एक्चुली त्या सिमेंट घालून जावं बेतो घालून कितें तरी वाडोवपाक जाय आसलें. हांगा एक रिटर्निंग वॉल तातडीन बांदूंक शकताली सरकार, पूण आजून सरकारान कितेंच करूंक ना तेजेर. हांगा शेळो जाल्लो आसल्या कारणान कोण पडटा पळय डायरेक्ट निसरून पडटा. हे त्रास फोंडेकारांक जाता. पळय हांवें एक तुमकां सांगूंक सोदता, आयज हांव पॉलिटिकल पार्टी तर्फे खंयचे येवंक ना कांय येवंक ना. हांव एक फोंडेचो नागरीक म्हणून फुडें सरलेलो आसा. आयज तो दीस जो आसा गोवा मुक्ती दिन दीस म्हणून, पूण म्हाका दिसना हे आमी मुक्तीन आहात हे. ही आमची मुक्ती जाल्या कशी म्हाका दिसना. ही आमची मुक्ती न्हू. ही 2 अडेच वर्सां जालीं आमी हे त्रास काडटा पळय ते. हे आमचे त्रास फोंडेकारांचे म्हाज्यान सोदूंक जायना म्हणून हांव फुडें सरला. जर सरकाराक दिसता आयज सरकारान म्हाका हांगा येवन लिखीत बरोवन दिवचें बाबा तूं केन्ना करतलो पळय तें. कित्याक आश्वासनां दिवन दिवन आयकून आमकां खूब पुरो जालें. येयल्ल्या दिसा लोकांचे स्कुटरींचे पाड पडटा, येयल्ल्या दिसा मोटरसायकलींचे पाड पडटा, 4 दिसांनी लायनर घालचें पडटा आनी कितें करचें पडटा. फाल्यां तुमी म्हणटा मोद आसा काय म्हणून ह्या उदकांतल्यान वचपाक काय म्हणून भायरसून वता म्हणटा. डेली जो बाबडो भुरगो 10,000 जोडटा पळय तो डेली भायरसून येतलो वयतलो. तेजे 5-5, 10 किलोमिटर सुबेज जाता. 10 किलोमिटरांचो पयसो काडा म्हयन्यान कितको जाता पळय तो. हे आनी तितो तेजो टायम पिरियड जाता. पेरेचो भुरगो आतां जर हे सायडीच्यान कालवेच्यान वयतलो जाल्यार कितके पयस वयचे पडटा तेका पळयात.
गांवा बरोबर वयतलो जाल्यार ट्रान्सपोर्ट कांय ना हांगासल्यान. तो गाडवार वचपाक लोकांक त्रास जाता. इवन म्हज्या सुद्दां आमच्या आईच्या वताक सुद्दां आमकां खूब हांगाच्यान वचूंक मेळना कारण आमी म्हाड्याच्यान वयता. म्हाड्यार सुद्दां लायन ट्रस्ट जाल्लेली खूब आहा. स्टँडींग फेरीबोटी सुद्दां भरोवंक पावना. कितले लायनीक रावचें पडटा. कोणाच्या गाडयांचे ताका आसता झगडी जाता. सो हांगाच्यान वचपाक गेले जाल्यार चलोन वचोन कोण वयता. थोडी जाण पडटा हांगा. कोण सगळ्यांक त्रास जाता. आमकां जाला आमी ताका लागून आमी उलयता की बाबा आमी पडले हांगासर गाडये घेवन पडले न्ही. म्हूण म्हणटाले की आमी गाडी घेवन वयता कित्याक मूग आहा जाल्यार. कित्याक आमकां त्या वक्तार दोतोराक वचपाच्या वक्तार आमचें कितें जाता सकाळीं बरें लेट जाल्या कारणाक आमकां म्हणटात की लेट कित्याक जालो कितें जालें तें. पूण टायमार वचोंक जाय. टायमार पावना जाल्यार सगळो दीस पिड्यार जाता. सो ताका लागून रिस्क घेवन वयता. त्या पडटाय. इवन लोक हांगासरल्यान गांवांत चलोंक गेले. हांवें जो विडियो काडून धाडलेले की गांवांत लोक गेले पळय दिले आसा. पूण करतलो कितें ट्रान्सपोर्ट बसी ना कांय ना. वचपाचें कशें.
Bureau Report, Goa 365.
Aroshi villagers are out on streets to object hotel projects coming up in their village. They have threatened to hold fast on to death if the government fails to address their grievances against a third proposed hotel project in their village.
Aroshi villagers held a protest against the Panchayat and government for granting permission to a big hotel project in the area. Locals said fields and water bodies are facing threats due to this project. They filed several complaints with the TCP, CRZ and Panchayat, but nobody has replied to their complaints. Panchayat is targeting only small dwellings, not big buildings, locals complained. Former Kortalim MLA and Aam Aadmi Party leader Alina Saldana also extended a support to the aggrieved villagers.
Of all these nallas, water bodies, paddy fields, low-lying area. It should demarcate and put it on the survey plan of Aroshi village. Our main demand is that. Before that, you cannot start any construction, not even a barricading of the property. Panchayat has given the license to you, not even barricading. Stop all this. First demarcate, put it on the survey plan, and then go ahead with your thing. We don't want anything. We will sit hunger strike till death. This is the beginning. We made several complaints. Nobody till date. Panchayat was the construction licensing authority. They did not hear us. For the small house, they are going for the inspection. After TCP approval, they are going for the inspection. Why not the inspection for the hotel property? Till date, where is the Panchayat? Panchayat is saying, when we ask them, Panchayat is saying, we have no authority to inspect the site. Why? 2014 September, file came in the Panchayat. Why the previous Panchayat rejected the file? Why you people have passed the file now? 2017 July, you have given a construction license.
Eyes, last Martha Saldana. Dina ikonni, ye property water body in Naimon. Thank Dina ikonni, water body in Naimon. Ye astona ten pass kela. Okay? Ye amche demand. Dusre म्हणले construction आमी कितें करपा दिवपाना आम्हाला येतले until and unless they demarcate all these water bodies, nallas, low-lying areas and paddy fields in it. Okay? तें जाल शिवाय आमी हिंगा कितें करपा दिवपाना. आम रस्त्यार येतले नाल्यार hunger strike until that करता आमी बसोन.
While constructing the hotel, they have to ensure that they protect the environment. They have to ensure that they protect the natural water bodies. There is a nalla that is constructed, age-old nalla. Can human beings intervene in the nature's way of handling the water, the monsoon water? Surely the hotel owners know that there will be repercussions and it will affect these people. And it is but right that they come here to show their objection. Okay? And this is not the first time. We've been having so many agitations in the past. There are so many illegalities also involved. There are many illegalities. Is there a road? A proper road? No. And yet you're having a 5-star hotel. Put the basic infrastructure in place. Protect the environment. These water bodies were not created today. These are age-old water bodies that take care of the monsoon water. So today, the hotel owners could have gifted the villagers of ROC by coming out with a solution to their problem and having a dialogue with them so that a unanimous decision.
Hiru Mahalay for Goa 365 from ROC.
Now for the weather. The IMD has predicted another 5 days of dry weather starting from December 19th. Maximum and minimum temperatures are likely to hover around 31 degrees Celsius and 18 degrees Celsius respectively. No weather warnings have been issued for the next 5 days too.
Skies will remain mostly clear in the coming days with haze and shallow fog likely at isolated places for another 5 days starting December 19th. However, the state might experience cold weather with minimum temperatures hitting 18 degrees Celsius. No warnings for fishermen have been issued. Bureau Report, Goa 365.
With that, we come to the end of this news bulletin. For more news and updates, log on to our website www.goa365.tv. Follow us on Facebook, Goa365TV, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Goa365TV, or download our app, which is available on both Android and iOS, to watch all the latest news and updates on your mobile. Take care, stay safe, and keep watching Goa 365.